Internally, the boiler components and layout of the Synchronika and Pro 700 are exactly the same. So this process will work for both. Once you have your side panels off, we're going to get into the machine get to that boiler component. The one tool that we need is a adjustable wrench. And we're also going to use our plumber's tape when we are putting the part back in. Looking inside, you'll see your pressure safety valve on the steam boiler. Before we remove any components, make sure that your machine is powered down and the steam from the steam boiler is completely purged, opening up your steam wand to release all steam pressure. You might even want to let the machine cool off before you start touching the steam boiler components. You'll identify the pressure safety component here using your adjustable wrench. You can grab it at the very top and go ahead and crack the seal. If you find that it's very tight on there, using your wrench and a screwdriver, that might give you a little bit more leverage to crack the seal and remove this component completely. So that's what the pressure safety looks like. When you reinstall your new valve, you can use your plumber's tape to wrap the threading, clean off the boiler if there's any extra tape, anything that's built up around that connection point there. Go ahead and clean that off. And with your fresh tape on the threading, you can go ahead and reattach that. And that's how you replace the pressure safety valve on the steam boiler on your Profitec Pro 700 or ECM Synchronika. For more information on using your machine, check out the links here. For other tech tips, visit our knowledge base at clivecoffee.com.